A wooden flute floated in midair, humming even though no one was blowing into it. But I leaned closer and felt the faint tremble in the air, like it was asking me a question only I could hear. So I pulled out the tiny device I'd been building, the one meant to help quiet ears catch hidden sounds, which meant the flute's tremble suddenly bloomed into soft voices, as if the wind itself wanted to speak. But the voices weren't calling for help. They were curious, studying me the way I studied them. So I answered by tuning the device again, and the voices brightened like sunrise, which means the flute didn't need a player at all. It needed someone who listened differently. And that's why it lifted higher and echoed back my own heartbeat, as if inviting me into its song. So if you want to hear what it taught me next, stay close for the next story.